Today is Lily's first day at school. I'm so excited. I have my backpack. Time to go. She feels happy and a little nervous.
Sweetie, can you come here for a moment?
Okay, Mommy.
Thank you, my dear. I need your help with something.
What is it?
A special surprise. Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Mom.
Eat your breakfast.
Okay. Yummy. Good job, Scott. Thanks.
Lily eats slowly. Lily eats slowly. Lily eats slowly. She looks at her school bag.
My first school day! My first school day! I'm so excited. Me too. It's going to be great.
You two are going to have so much fun.
I am excited. She wears her shoes. I did it! All ready for school. Time to go to school. Yay! I'm all ready.
You are brave, Lily.
I am?
Yes, you are. Very brave.
Thank you, Daddy.
Of course, my brave girl.
I love you.
I love you too. Ready for school, sweetie?
Yes, Daddy, let's go. Wow, the school is so big.
It is. You'll have so much fun.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone. We're going to the park. Yeah, come play with us. Okay, let's go.
It's okay. Everything will be all right.
I love holding your hand, Daddy.
I love it too, sweetie.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay, let's go.
Yay, I see my friend. I'm a little nervous.
It's okay.
Okay, I feel better.
Have a great day, sweetie. Ready for school, Lily?
Yes, Daddy.
Go on in. Have a great day.
I will. Bye.
Bye, Lily. It's a big place, isn't it, Lily?
Wow, so many kids.
Welcome to our school, Lily.
You'll have so much fun here. Okay, have a great first day, sweetie.
Hi, teacher. Hello there. You must be my new student. Yes, that's the spirit. Have fun, you two.
Hello.
Hello, Lily.
Ready for school?
Yes, I'm excited.
You'll have a great day.
We know you will. Hello.
Hello, Lily. Have a great day.
I will. Bye.
Bye, sweetie.
I was a little nervous.
It's okay to feel that way.
I feel better now.
That's our brave girl.
I'm ready.
Go, Scout.
The classroom is bright.
Children sit quietly.
I'm here. Hi, you can sit here. I'm so glad you're in our class. Me too. Lily sits down.
She looks at her book.
A, B, C. C, 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 C. Hi, Lily. I'll sit next to you. Okay, we can study together. Let's look at the ABC book. Yes, you can help me. A, B, C. Hi, I am Anna. Lily says, "Hi, Anna." They smile together. Let's share our pencils. Okay, I'll give you my yellow one. Here you go. Thank you. This is fun. Yeah, now we can both draw. I'm drawing a cat. My flower is pink. Look, a big sun. All done.
Great job, everyone. Let's give a big clap.
Yay! Clap, clap, clap!
Wonderful clapping. You're all doing so well.
Thank you, teacher.
Good job!
I feel so happy today. You're glowing. You're glowing. It's like a warm light inside. Share it with us.
She is not scared now.
I'm not scared now. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, Lily.
Bye, Lily. See you tomorrow. Have fun. Bye, Anna. Mom,
Sweetheart, come here.
I missed you.
I missed you too. I'm so glad to see you.
Me too. Mom, I am happy.
I can see that, sweetie. You make me so happy. I love you so much, my dear.
I love you too, Mommy.
You're my everything.
This is the best hug ever.
I am proud of you.
I love school. Dad, ma'am?
We're so glad, Lily. Have a wonderful day.